Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me today. It's the holiday time and packages are coming in the mail, and I received a package and I thought it was something that I had ordered, and as I started opening it I realized, ooh, this is something that everybody needs to see. So this box was sent by Flora Curated. Flora Curated is for their bulbs, and then Flourish Roses is their rose company, so sister companies. I'll be doing an unboxing for Flourish Roses in the spring, and I will certainly share that with you. These are going to be bare roots, so you're going to want to check out the site before they sell out if there's a variety that you're interested in. I think I also saw on the Flora Curated site that they're going to have dahlias in the next month, so you're going to want to check that out. So a box arrived, and it has this fun sticker on the front that says Happy Mail, very pretty things inside. And as I started opening it, it had this beautiful mauve tissue paper and these beautiful bags, and all of the bags are the same color, so it's just such a nice presentation. As we start looking at the bags, we realize it's bulbs, you guys. So you know that my typical gardening is with roses. I'm going to be reaching out to you and all of my friends on social media. Probably I'll hit up the Facebook group Rose and Garden Enthusiast to see if I can get some advice on how to take care of these babies. Before we get into the unboxing and I show you what's here, with my yard, I'll plant bulbs and either we just get too much rain and I don't see them as many bulbs as I had hoped during the season, or I wonder if they're taken away by burrowing animals. What I'm thinking is that we want to put these in a container. I have some beautiful pots, and that way we'll be able to keep a close eye on them during the season and see how they do. But I think this will make a beautiful cut garden. So anyways, as we get into this unboxing, they sent over ranunculus, and this one is called Tecolate Café. And they have a pretty little sticker on the front that tells you the quantity and what's in here. Here's another ranunculus. This one's called Belle White. And let's see, another ranunculus. This one is called Butterfly. I've got large bags. This is Daffodil, Apricot, Whirl. And I've planted daffodil before, and I do love that they come back every year. They are dependable, and they're an early bloomer. So I do love daffodil. And last year, I put daffodil in my planters, and they were lining my steps. I'll see if I can find a picture here to share with you. Here's another daffodil, and it's called Yosemite Valley. Okay, now this one, it looks like I'm going to pronounce wrong. This one is called Leucojum, and it's Gravetye Giant. This one is Muscari. It's the pink sunrise. Nice little see-through bag there. And finally, oh, this is another ranunculus, Amodine Pastel. Look at these pretty seed packets. They're in beautiful little envelopes, and they have on the front of them the height, days to harvest, the spacing, how to grow them, germination, and harvest tips. This is Larkspur, and it's called Misty Lavender. Aster king size apricot. Viola brush strokes. And finally, stock Quartet rainbow. Also in the box, I have a card here, a pretty card, and then they have directions on how to take care of the ranunculus. It talks about vase life and what to expect, and then we also have the directions for daffodil. So I think that this would make a beautiful gift. I know we're coming to, the final hours before the holiday, but in the event that you have somebody that has an end of the year birthday, this would just be an anytime gift for yourself. Isn't it nice to open a present that's so pretty and it's for you? So thanks so much to Flora Curated. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.